Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Zakia binti Muhammad Zain. My metric number is 254020. Okay, my topic is why we should manage our time properly. Time is important to everyone, whether or not they attach a price value to it. Low abilities in handling time can contribute to lack of sleep, frustration, and also risk to health care such as stress. Even thinking of getting very little time to finish the job is enough to make certain people feel stressed out. Although there are several strategies to enhance time management, such as creating a calendar, changing our time sleeping habit, and installing software for motivation. If we do not completely identify why time management is significant, we do not have the desire to adjust. Before we can determine what kinds of improvement we want to create in our technical or personal life, we need to consider what kinds of decision we are planning to create. We have to ask ourselves some difficult questions, think deeply, and be absolutely honest with ourselves while resolving it. For your information, I also was not interested at first about time management, but after reading and referring some read article, there are many benefits of time management, so that we should manage our time properly because it can improve our self-discipline, improve our work, our quality of work, and reduce our stress. Firstly, by managing our time properly, we can reduce our stress. Based on the International Journal of Current Advanced Research, Love Kumar Singh's 2017 said that in all in all studies, time management behavior has been recorded to have a positive impact on stress. In other terms, people who are used the technique of time management are less stressed than those who are not. One possible cause of the time management impact is resource management. As we face risk, we feel stressed because of limited resource. In general, time is very important resource, we and when we use time, we always do, but we must always control our time accordingly to the value of work through spending time with proper planning. For example, if we do not control our finance and tend to spend excessively without financial planning, we will find ourselves in debt sooner or later because we have a lot of assets but no income would be left at all. Put another way, we can never encounter any problem and difficult if we invest our money on proper financial planning. Is there something that been keeping you up at night with worry? Are you unable to complete your work? In my opinion, if we answer yes, we are likely feeling stressed. If we don't feel like we have control of our time and are constantly running breathless to reach target, our health is extremely like to break down. Time management skills can help to reduce or even remove stress. Good time management skill will make us more productive and can reduce our stress levels. Secondly, we should manage our time properly to improve our quality of work. According to Mancini on the briefcase book Time Management, he mentioned that effective time management will improve having time to achieve work-related targets and giving us success with the one we expect to. Most people assume their job situation cannot be managed by cannot be managed, or they are scared to attempt and gain influence. The acts of having control are also required extra tasks and responsibilities. Sometimes people are scared of disappointment or believe like taking further blame can only make a problem harder, like already feels worse. But research consistently proves that the more influence a person has over how we conduct our tasks and the type of commitment we might have, the most satisfying the works and life of that individual is. Based on my experience, the most productive solutions sometimes come to us in moments of spontaneity and recreation. People who are tight control over their time will understand the happiness that can come to come from a woman with spontaneity. So, as we encounter it, we will notice an unexpected change. If we have not participated in at least two or the thing that we consider most enjoyable in the past month, we need to learn how to handle our time to allow we to do so in the future, so that our so that we can manage our time effectively and space out from work while keeping our sleeping routine. Lastly, our time management our lastly a good time management also would improve our self discipline. Based on the International Journals of Scientific and Engineering Research by Aban and Koenig, the effectiveness of time management increase the level of self-discipline to a great extent. Self-discipline play a significant factor in human experience, and there is always successful future for those who are controlled. This feeling commonly presents itself when we correctly prepare the job and taking choice on the period to act a change. Proper handling of the time is structured from a crowded mind. The uncontrolled work and unfinished tasks may be complete within the deadline. We will spend less time in meaningless tasks because we realize that we need to do. We should always be a step ahead of our job, instead of worrying what we will do next. Time management not takes a lot of time, but allows enough time. A person will a person with self-discipline will achieve something that bring a career to a greater stage. For me, if we successful time management technique, we are likely to be a higher self-discipline. When we practice good time management, we left no room for procrastination. In other words, the more we control ourselves to manage time properly, the more our self will be. This self-discipline always increase the more life effect, like our profession or study and also our partnership. This is a valuable skill that will begin to improve other areas of our life where a lack of discipline has kept us from achieve goals. As a conclusion, we will see that managing our time well can improve all aspects of our life. We can be efficient enough that it can be a goal for us and by applying time management we can achieve that. Time is a limited source and it's up to us to get the best out of it. No matter how we cut it, there is only 24 hours in a day. If we lost money, we can have a chance to make it back, but a wasted hour is irreplaceable. When Even if we have struggled to control our time in the past, improvement is never too late. Set a goal, organize ourselves, distribute responsibilities, and managing our to-do list to bring out the best of our time. Do not be late. Let's start now to reduce our stress, improve our quality of work, and improve our self-discipline. Okay, that's all. Thank you.